Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to join Telegram group by QR code. So for you to do that, you have to find a particular QR code that links to a particular WhatsApp group. So I have a particular QR code here that links to a particular group in my saved messages. So I'm going to tap on this particular QR code right here. I'm going to tap on this icon button beside these three dots. We're going to tap on this icon. You can see all the image inside our QR code has been highlighted. And you're going to tap. And you're going to tap on the QR code. Then you tap on open, and you can see this actually takes us to the group, which is the Christian Ronaldo Tech. This is the QR code for this particular group. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.